Hi, my name is James Eugene, the window expert. Alright, on this video, we want to show you how to tight door closer on any door at all, right? So we are going to be using aluminum door net to show you how to do it, but you can actually tight it any door, both wooden door or any door of your choice, provided it opens out and closes again. That is the type that this door closer can work on. So we will tight it and then you will see how it is done. All right, so this thing comes separately and this. So you will tight this here. You have this hole here, you have this hole here. So you will position it, okay, and you will, this is how it will come. This one will be here while this one will be here. All right, so I'm going to tight this thing here like this. In this carton you have different screws, so this one will be for here and here, while this one will be for here. All right, so I'm going to tight it like this. As you can see, you will try and make sure you tight it very well, it doesn't shake. Okay, so this is adjustable. If it is shorter, you can adjust it to come forward. All right, so this is it, and this will be here. As you can see, it's too long, so I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce it so that it will rhyme. All right, yeah, it's still long. All right, so you place it like this and mark. All right, as you can see, I hope you can see the marking. Camera, you can see the marking. All right, okay, so hold this, cover the marker. All right, you drill. After you drill, then you screw. All right, I decided not to drill it open because I want to burst it with the screw. All right, give me another screw. So after you drill, you tight. You tight. I actually don't want to use the screw. I want to use screwing machine to tight. Most times the screwing machine will warn the head of this screw and then it won't be able to tight again. And again, when you want to tight something very tight and strong, the screwing machine may not actually tight it, especially when it is strong. So there are some of the things I use screwing machine to tight. So but for this one, because I don't want this, the head of the screw to warn, I would prefer to use screwdriver. Okay, so as you can see, I have tight the machine, so I need to tight this one as well, and then the door will open. Okay, and you mark here. All right, we are done tightening it. This is how it looks like, right? So thank you. Let's open it. So another thing is to make sure that all the screw are well tight. Now when you are done tightening them all, you cover this one with this rubber. Cover it like this so that this down will not be open at all. So this is how to tight door closer machine. So you notice how it is. Now if you fix your own and you notice it returns with full speed, all right, and they don't make noise or sound as it is closing, you adjust from here, this and this. If you adjust this, it will reduce the speed at which it closes, and then this one will also reduce the noise if when you open and as it's closing it bangs. You adjust it through there. This one now is perfectly okay. It doesn't hit when it's closing. As you can see, this is a very perfect work. Then this nut here, you return it back to stop this one from going in. All right, so this is how to tight door closer machine. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.